Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to use the scheduler in your Canvas calendar to create appointment groups where students can sign up for a block of time to meet with you. Students can sign up for appointment times from their own calendar. These appointments display in your calendar after a student or group has reserved a time slot. This would be great to use if you're having students sign up for presentations, or if you need to schedule blocks of time with other teachers, or if you need to set up parent-teacher or parent-teacher-student conferences. So we're going to start by clicking the calendar icon from the global navigation. You want to make sure that you have your calendar, course calendar selected over here at the right before you begin. And then when you're ready, you can go ahead and click the plus icon and you will choose appointment group right here. So we have to begin by filling out all of the information listed here. So we will call this one student presentations. You can add a location. I think this is optional. And then you can add these appointment groups to multiple calendars, and you'll select the calendar that you want to use and click Done. And then up at the right, you will choose the date, and then you will choose the time range. So we'll start these presentations, say the presentations will start 8 a.m. and run all the way to 2 p.m. And then here you will enter the amount of time for each slot. So I'll just change this to 15 minutes and then click Go. And so now you can scroll through and see that this has divided all of these appointment slots up for you, beginning 8 o'clock and ending at 2 p.m. If there's some that you want to take out, like if you need a break for lunch, you can X out the time slots that you do not need to use. So just X out a few of those like that. Okay, and there's some other options here that you can choose to limit each time slot to a certain number of users. And that's if you're having the students sign up in groups. Here you can check to allow students to see who has signed up for time slots. Here you can limit participants to only attend a certain number of appointments. And then down here you can add the details. And once you've completed all the information here, you would just click Publish. And now looking at your calendar, you see the time slots are listed here. And I will show you what that looks like in the student view. Okay, now I'm acting as a student. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Calendar. All right, and here are the appointment slots for the student presentations on the 18th. So I'm going to sign up for, I want to do the 10 a.m. presentation. So I'm going to click on the 10 a.m. presentation. Add a comment if I would like, and then I'm going to click Reserve. All right, so I'm going to show you now what that looks like on the teacher side. Okay, back in the teacher view here, I can see that one of the slots has been highlighted and taken. So I'm going to click on that, and I can see that Sabrina has signed up for the 10 a.m. time slot.